Alrighty. Welcome everyone. Oh, just one person. Welcome myself. Market is down 0.56%, the Nasdaq. Let's see if people come in. We're on a short right now. Wait for someone to come in. Angia, hey buddy. Angia number one. You watching the market butcher too? Oh, that's on my end. Had the market butcher on. My friendly neighborhood butcher. Angia, you in any trades? Let me know. Did you catch this short up here? People say one micro can't make you money, but you know, one micro, I'm up 130 bucks. It took an hour. It took like 30 minutes, 30, 40 minutes. Maybe a little bit longer actually. About an hour. Let's say an hour. Let's take a quick look at the order book. No big orders anywhere. Fairly thin. Taking a look at headlines, nothing major. It's on the left here if you want to read it. And yeah, one micro, sometimes it could save you from blowing up accounts and also could bring you to payout. Yeah, no doubt, right? One micro, 134 bucks, you know, that's a good day's pay right there. And in an hour, you can do that like 2-3 times a day, buddy, you're set. You're set for life. Well, it depends on your shopping habits, I guess. Yeah, not much going on. Taking a look at Asia here. We got the Hang Seng down almost 1%, 0.87. Japan's down 2%. UK down 0.6%. Euro down 0.7%. Germany's down 0.75%. Australia's down 0.76%. It's wild. It's wild out there. Markets are down. Nasdaq down 0.62. Oil's up almost 1.5%. 1.41 at the moment. Under 100 bucks though. That's major. What else do we gotta look at here? The order book's pretty thin. Nothing really going on. There's like 20, 40, there's like 50 orders around the 500 range. That's where we're at now. Look at the 9-day moving average coming down, the 50 days coming down, the purple line. The VWAP's coming down as well. A little bit of a H pattern going on here. Oh, let's see. Let's see if we can break 491. Stay below 500. Patrick missed the easy short. Yeah, it's only easy after. I think I got in short about probably right here in the beginning. Kept telling me it's going to go up, boom, up, and then finally started going down. Then went right back up. I typically would have probably just stopped out here. I held on. Faked us out right here. And then we've been going down since for almost an hour now. But one micro, $100, not bad in an hour. Do that once or twice a day. That's all you need. We'll see how long this lasts, though. Do we remain above 29,500 or do we break? And even if we break, do we stay below it? That's a major question. But yeah, Patrick, thanks for stopping by, buddy. Pretty good chatting. What's chatting? Real account? No, this is a practice account. I did a couple trades in my XFA. I'm up 263. Yeah, I just traded one XFA. So I'm up 263 on the XFA and I'm up 442 on one of those fake accounts. When it says combine here, it's just consider it a fake account. Because these are blown combines. Just using them as practice accounts. But yeah, I had a couple good days here. I blew this account like last week. I restarted it up. Only been trading this for 4 days. This is my old account. This one I only do like 1 or 2 trades a day. Actually, no. There's 141 trades here. Wow. This one I just play here and there just to guarantee some income, you know. Try to get $100, $200, something like that. Had that count for like 3 or 4 months now. Tabs, hey buddy. Thanks for coming by. What a homie. Think there's gonna be a downward Friday? It's not Friday, is it? Oh, actually, yeah. This is Friday. Oh man, I didn't even think about that. I thought it was Thursday. Damn, that's hilarious. Man, you know there could be some profit taking. I ain't gonna lie. But that could mean just like right now, like we're down 0.6%. Maybe we go down 1.25% just to end Friday back at all-time highs again. So profit taking can happen at any time. Like right now could be just slow profit taking for all we know. Then they pump it back up, take more profits, pump it back up, take more profits. So I don't want to go against the trend for too long anyways. Patrick, I woke up late today and had to go right to work. So you're up $20? Let's go, buddy. $20. The days I lose like 6, 7, $1,200, buddy, I'd kill to be just up $20. Let's go. What's the minimum you need for a payout? Well, I've taken payouts on this account. I think I just took one payout on this account. How can you check? Can't even check. I think I took like 2, 3 payouts in this account. I got 4,100 right now on this one. think I took out a 3,000 and like 2,000. On this one, I just reset, so I haven't taken any out of this one. But I think just 5 days of 150 or more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so I can take a payout on this. I could take out half of 2,000, so I could take out $1,000 on this one right now if I wanted to. But I want to build a buffer of at least 4,500. You know what I mean? That most certainly works different than Apex. Sounds a lot better. Patrick, yeah, pretty sure. I don't know the rules. I don't really try. I only do um, Top Step. I think I tried Apex once. I'm pretty sure I tried it once. And I blew it because of some trailing stop thing, and then I just stopped using Apex. I just pay the premium for Top Step. The rules are simpler. For me, anyways, I mean. Some people are diehard other prop firms, so whatever works for you, you know? But Patrick, tabs, buddy. Think there's going to be a downward Friday. Well, we're going down right now. Patrick, yeah, no trailing stop on Top Step, no. Whatever trailing stop means, like, let's say the trailing stop's like $100. Like I'm up 87 right now, but if this goes negative, like, well, let's say I'm up $100, and the trailing stop's $100, and this goes from positive during the trade. It goes from being up 100 back to even, and then your trailing stop just hits. Is that a trailing stop? I'm not sure. Yeah, Patrick, I don't even want to go through the rules of other props, honestly. It's just a headache. All I know is the most I can lose is my max loss limit. But if you want to learn more about the rules, you just got to go to their website, read them. Read them carefully, you know. I'm not promoting anyone. I just use Top Step. It is what it is. They've definitely had their hiccups. I mean, I had this account here. Let's see if I can. Oh, they deleted all the stats. So I was up on account for about like $10,000. And then they accused me of hedging. They just made some new hedging new rule, and they went back like a couple months. They're like, oh, a couple months ago you hedged for a couple minutes here. So we're just deleting your account. So that's stung a bit. We're still going down. Let's say if we break these 500s and stay below it. That'd be bullish. And then maybe just get some resistance at 500 for a while. Maybe 420 to 500 for the next couple hours. That'd be cool. Could trade the range. Hey, it says 7 people are watching. That's awesome. Come into the chat. Say what's up. No new headlines. Asian markets are kind of down. Hang Seng's down 0.87%. Japan's down 2.12%. UK's down 0.63%. Euro's down 0.75%. Same with Germany. Australia down 0.8%. Order book's thin. There's no big orders anywhere. You could say there's maybe a little bit more orders to the downside, but not really. It's like 50-55. Oh, what happened to financial dues? Let's take a look at what's happening tomorrow. Warsh takes over Fed chair. That's tonight. When's 21 o'clock? Is that 9? So that should already happen right now, maybe. Tomorrow we got U.S. industrial production month over month. Trump ballot meeting. No earnings. And this browser is... Oh, God. All right, so coming down. One micro, 160 bucks. Miranda, hey. Good evening. Thanks for stopping by. I love when people come like a couple of days in a row. Makes me feel real happy about myself. Miranda, are you in any trade right now? I'm in a pretty good short. Should have been on my XFA account, but whatever. All right, we're below 500. So what I'm thinking right now, this future predicting. See something like this. Stay in a zone down here for like an hour. Maybe break up, maybe break down from it. Why? Because I see we got a little bit of resistance here, 450s. And 420 seems like always it gets into that area. The 420s, you know, 29,420, 28,420. Patrick's thinking 455s. Like that would be the low, you think? Won't even touch 450s? Anything happen, that's why we analyze it a bit. So you might have like a little bit of support here, like this area. So that fits into this box as well. Well, we'll just see. We're just predicting here. Not making any moves off of it. It's a practice account, so I'm not too worried about taking profit. Patrick's looking for a pump. We could pump up to maybe 540s, maybe. If we start going beyond that, then this trade might be invalid. But the way the 9-day and the 50-day is coming down, especially the 9-day, we got like decent momentum going down. I ain't gonna lie, and some volume kicked in too. Like not a ton, but I mean, volume's going up. As you can see here, volume going up, price going down. That's momentum, right? If it's going down with more volume than previous volume, we call that the momentum. No new news. Miranda, how did I do today? I'm up like 200 bucks, 260 bucks. I'm up. That's about it. Yesterday, I think yesterday was like 280 bucks and 56 bucks, so like whatever. 350 bucks yesterday. 260 today. Can't complain. Just trying to take it slow. I blew account last week, so just want to make sure I don't just start FOMOing in and just blowing accounts. It is Friday. It's Friday price action now, technically. Fridays are usually my worst trading days. Alright, we're still pushing down. Still pushing down, huh? One micro, 200 bucks in 2 hours. 100 bucks an hour since this trade's been in. And people say, oh, micros, man. You trading micros, bro? Trade minis. It's like, no thanks, man. You can make money off micros too. Miranda, you blew 2 evals today? Oh man, that sucks. Don't worry about it. I've blown way more in a day. I don't want to say. I'm shy. It makes me shy telling people how many evals I blew. Well, we can go over that one day. It's up there. Maybe we'll take a poll one day. How many evals has Randy blown? Oh, we all have Miranda. Don't let people confuse you. Or trick you. I've blown an account on live here. I've only been trading live for a month and I blew an account. Live. I forgot what day it was though. But if you go back on one of the videos, you can see me just keep adding to my losing trade. Keep adding, and boom. Blew the account. Miranda, you got 3 funded accounts? Oh man. You're killing it, buddy. You're in the 99%. Most people don't even get 2 funded. And you have 3? That's amazing. Marker Butcher's doing a giveaway. I gotta sneeze, hold on. We're gonna stream Market Butcher's duck contest. Let's go in his chat and tell him. Oh man, where's the chat? Oh, it's right here. Oh, Angia, you're in the duck race? That's hilarious. I should have put my name in there. Then I could, if I want, I could give away something on my channel. No, that's what Market Butcher's doing. That's awesome. Alright, give me a minute here. We'll go through a little overview of the market here in a minute. Yeah, I'll be back. All right. Still dumping here. Let's see if we get down to the zone. 420 area maybe. No new headlines. Finland. Airport restarts operations after drone alert. Trump on Iran. We share a similar view on the outcome, opposing the nuclear amendment. Not amendment. Armament. And waiting and wanting the strait accessible. But Iran wants those tolls. We're still pushing down. We got the 9-day moving average calming down with the price. Volume still going up. So this one micro, we're up $256 in about an hour and 40 minutes, 2 hours. I think I got in around here. Actually, it's been like more than an hour and 20 minutes. So when people say micros don't pay, they do. Just depends how much you want to get paid, right? Beyond that, the Bookmap is, the order book's very thin. We got 28 contracts at 29,425 on the NQ. Oil still below 100. We got the Hang Seng down 1.2%. Japan's down 2.3%. UK down 0.68. Euros down 0.82. Germany down 0.83%. And Australia's down 0.86%. Phil and Fi in the house. Hey, buddy. Thanks for stopping by. You still have the gone to oh man, do I? Thanks for looking out, bro. I'm new to this. Oops. There you go. My bad. Thanks, Fi. You're a real one. Appreciate that. We're still pushing down, though. Russian Defense Ministry, 355 Ukrainian drones shot down overnight. Wow. Is that a lot? I don't even know. It's just drones, right? Are they pocket drones? How big are these drones? Well, we're still pushing down. Well, we're in one micro short, up $260 or so. We got Fi looking out. Here's a lookout. Oil with this weird 1 minute gap here. Like 3 cents. Nothing too huge. Let's wait and see. I don't really want to reverse. I don't want to add. Not right here. Adding here would have been okay. In hindsight. Everything's easier in hindsight, that's for sure. We get the VWAP coming down as well. And we're getting, okay, here we go. Here we go. Nice push here with volume. Let's see if we get a reversal here or something. So right here, I would probably take my profit here. So 300 bucks in 2 hours with one micro. Micros can pay, man. You just got to hold long enough. I mean, maybe for some people, 300 bucks ain't much, but for me, you know, 310 bucks or whatever it was, take that any day. That's a good day, let alone a single trade. So at this point, I kind of want to see a reversal. So since we are on the practice account, let's put in a long. I mean, we still got down to 380s. NQ likes to extend. We'll add on to a long here. Looking for maybe something like that. Maybe a push back up to 460s. 50-point move. Oil's coming up though. Miranda, good night. Just wanted to stop in and show my support. Thank you very much. Setting a trade to go long. 78.80 on the S&P. Will hopefully wake up to a win. Well, make sure you put a stop loss in. Put that stop in. Miranda, 300 a day keeps a job away. Exactly. Exactly. All right. So I want to look at the volume as well. So we came up on the volume. Now I want to see the volume come down. To get in a short again. So keep an eye on volume for sure. I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna get rid of my box as well. We could just maybe just go up to the 9-day and bounce off it and come back down. I kind of want to see like 450s. Let's come up to this area. We could even break up higher. Well, let's see this play out. We got oil touching VWAP right now. Miranda always, yeah, stop loss. Especially when you're going to sleep. Unless you're just YOLOing it. Put your order in and don't even care. Wake up with a blown account, whatever. Miranda's got 2 more. Give me a second. All right, we're touching the 9-day here. Let's see what happens. See how the next candle prints. Oh, okay. Red candle there. So at this point, you'd have to put like a stop here because it's probably going to go lower. Nice rejection off the 9-day. With not much volume though. But that can change. Well, 8 people are watching. Subscribe, like, come into the chat. Say what's up. Don't be shy. Don't be a shy guy. Let's take a look at Asia here. Hang Seng's down 1.3. Japan's down 2.3. That's huge. FTSE, Euro, Germany down like 0.8. Almost down 1%. Alright, well the stop was perfectly placed. Bounced just about 406, like 1 3/4 ticks. Less than 2 points. Patrick, you just realized you're not doing M and Q? Oh, yeah, I am. What are you talking about? Look, M and Q, bro. I'm in M and Q. And watching your chart and getting in. I am doing M and Q, brah. Hey, don't copy my trades, Patrick. That's illegal. Don't do what I'm doing. 10 people watching, man. Let's go. Come into the chat. Say what's up. Send some love this way. Subscribe or something. We get 200 subscribers today. We're gonna do some kind of giveaway. We're gonna figure out a giveaway and give something away. Let's get 200, baby. That'd be sick. At 175 subscribers, let's see. I think at 170 something, so maybe 1 or 2 subscribers. Not bad. I'll take that. Let's go. Patrick, most times I'm short when you're long. That's hilarious. It's probably a good thing. Michael, what up, buddy? Michael in the house. Stopping by in the chat. That's beautiful. Supporting a ghetto streamer like me. Whoa, what just happened here? I just clicked something on my keyboard. Everything went whack. What? What is this? Look at this. Look at all these yellow things here. What's that all about? Maybe if I refresh it. Okay, that fixed it. Michael, what up, bro? Where are you watching from? Let me know. It's always cool to know. It's like, where's this guy watching from? Portland? Let me guess first. Actually, no, wait. Let me guess from your name. I'm going to guess where you're watching from. Michael, you're watching from Italy. Oh. South Africa. Wow. I think the first guy ever came here from South Africa. Amazing. Random question. Do you use fib levels for your positions? I'll pull a fib here and there. Like right now, maybe. Oh, man. I mean, you know, every once in a while, maybe I'll grab a fib here. Grab these tops, bring it down to the bottom. Get a little idea of what's going on. Check out some levels. But like, yeah, the fibs work out. Like, look. Boom. We got a level here. We got a level here. But if we didn't even have the fib, you can already tell. See, boom. Here we got resistance here. We got resistance here. Price comes up here, rejects. Okay. Or price comes into the zone. Maybe stays in the zone, comes up here, rejects. So to answer the question, yes, I do look at fib levels. I don't always pull a fib because I can kind of just see the fib levels just by looking at a chart. If you know what I mean, bro. And if you don't, my apologies. All right, we got the 9-day kind of curling up. The 50-day still coming down pretty strong. Let's look at the VWAP. What's she doing? VWAP's coming down. Michael, you thank me for that? Well, you know what? I thank you for coming by. I really appreciate it. That makes streaming like worthwhile. I just started like a month ago, but for like the first like week, I was just talking to myself for like 3-4 hours in a row. Which is fine. It is what it is. I'm going to trade anyways. And whatever I'm saying. All right, we got a nice curl on the 9-day. All right, now we got like a, I guess like a lower high kind of situation. Let's see if we break down here. Let us see what it brings. Russian Defense Ministry, 355 Ukrainian drones shot down overnight. That's the latest. Surprise, Trump hasn't been truth socialing a lot. 7 hours ago. There's like a long ass tweet here. If y'all want to read that, I don't think I want to read it all out. When President Xi very elegantly referred to the United States as perhaps being a declining nation, he was referring to the tremendous damage we suffered during the 4 years of sleepy Joe Biden. You can pause that and read it if you want, or go to Truth Social. But yeah, I'm surprised Trump hasn't been tweeting more, taking selfies with G and all that. All right, we're just staring right now. Another lower high, guys. Look. Well, you can start from here, I guess. High, lower high, lower high, lower high. Do you get another lower high, another lower high. Fake the bears out and then pump. Take my stop out. So that's kind of what I'm seeing right now. I'm risking 14 bucks, so I'm not too concerned. If I move my stop to break even, I probably would have stopped out right here. I just need to break this 9-day moving average, but the 50 days coming pretty close. We're going to get a little crossing here of the 9-day and the 50. Might see some fireworks there. We'll see. Let it play out. 14 people watching. Come on. Come into the chat. Say what's up. Don't be like that, man. Sorry about that. All right, let me just mute for a minute. I'll be back. All right, I'm back. Oh, I got stopped out. Ouch. Stopped out for 14 bucks. Brutal. All right, now let's take a look here. What should we do? Zoom out a bit. What do we have here? We got some support here. Support there. Some support there. All right, let's see if we break through. Over here. If we hold this support, we could go up. Or maybe we see 200s. Take a little look at Asia. Hang Seng's down 1.6% almost. Japan's down 2.6. UK's down 0.8. Euro's down 1%. Germany's down pretty much 1%. Australia's down 1%. Ouch. Devin, hey buddy. Thanks for coming in. Really appreciate that. Let me know where you're watching from. Where's the homie Devin watching from? I didn't even read your comment, my bad. I got cooked earlier tonight. First time in a long time. Ah, man, it happens to all of us. It happens. Alright, let's try these short. Let's try a short here. We got oil pushing up. Looks like it wants to break down. But Devin, you got cooked today, huh? Why though? Why'd you get cooked today? We got to think about that. Were you over leveraging? No stop. Adding to a loser? Let me know. Devin, what up? Where are you watching from? You're right outside of New York? Nice. Oh, Long Island? Sweet. So let's talk about why you cooked your account today. Was it any of the reasons I stated earlier? Like over leveraging? Adding to a loser? No stops? Let me know. You're in some shorts for an hour. For an hour now, getting back. Well, shorts are playing out. If you've been shorting for the last hour, you should be doing pretty good. Don't worry, we're all dummies. Just work your way back. So it's all good, bro. That's why we trade props. At the end of the day, you just lose your whatever you paid for the prop, right? And the time wasted. Alright, we got a couple good trades in a row. Oh no, actually, last trade I lost 14 bucks. Usually when I get like 3 practice account trades in a row, we move to an XFA. But I forgot about that loss. So I'm going to let this next candle print and see what we do here. All right, let's see if we can touch the 9-day moving average, this teal line right here. See how we react on that. The NASDAQ likes to extend a little bit always, so gotta leave a little bit of room. Well, we got 10 people watching coming to the chat. Devin did. That's awesome. Appreciate that. Put himself out there. You know, blew an account. But he's still working at it, chipping away. We're still going down. All right, well, here we go. I'll push up to the 9-day. All right, nice rejection there. Let's put on another short. Yeah, 25K done, but my 50K still rolling. Nice, Devin. Still 8K up on my 50K. That's great. 50K Top Step, Apex, or something else. There's so many prop firms now. Take an hour to list them all. But you're up 8K. That's amazing, buddy. That's great. Remember to always pay yourself. Take some money out too. Don't just keep it in the account and making like a bigger and bigger buffer. Like for this account, I'm up. I have like a $4,000 balance or whatever, but I've taken out about 4 or 5 grand too. All right, we got a nice rejection there, right off the 9-day. Let's see if we push down. I mean, my target would be like 200s, honestly. Another 300-point trade. User PX2HV7XX4Z. Why bother with one micro? Well, I'm up $700 on micros. like 1 micro at a time. Just depends on what you want to make, bro. Just depends. I mean, you can trade in NQ if you want. Well, 1 micro is good enough for me. I mean, there you go. Like 2, 3 minutes, boom, you're up $40. Let's say I take that profit, $40. Get back in, boom. Make another $40. Make another $20. Whatever. Everyone has their own personal prices, or sorry, like profits or whatever. At user, where are you from? And why don't you make a better name? Why are you at user? That's hilarious. Did you pick that name or you just don't care? Or are you trying to be anonymous? Devin, everyone's risk is different, no doubt. Everyone's risk is different and everyone's profit targets are different. You know, $100 for someone might be nothing. $100 for someone else might be like, everything. All right, there you go. Boom. So now we have 3 positive trades in a row. So let's switch to an XFA. And now what I want to see is price come back up to the 9-day and then come down again. I'm not going to chase this candle right now, but I'm going to let it play out. My bot uses 1NQ, but I also have a prop firm simulator with 8 presets for multiple firms, so I know I can get away with it. 70% payout rate. Cool. Go in the Discord, prove it. Show your stats, bro. Whatever prop firm you're using, they usually have stats. Put in the Discord. Let's see it. And we'll buy your bot. I'll even share a link to the Discord. Always forget how, but there you go. Join the Discord, bro. Tell us more about the bot. That's 70% profitable. With a name like user PX2HS7XX4Z, that bot's gonna be great. Devin, bro, you never know, man. User. Nobody selling to retail has anything interesting. I'm running forward to testing. I'm running forward testing to sell a proprietary firm. Good luck, bro. Sell me some. I'm sold. We're still coming down. I wanted to push up to the 9-day to get into a short. It's going to leave me in the dust. Oil's coming up. Anthropic waste taking part in Japan's cyber defense alliance. User P whatever. It's okay, bro. You don't have to send me anything. Keep it all private. It's all good. I believe in you. What's your bot saying to do now? Short or buy or hold? Go. Oil's pumping up still. All right, nice push down on the 9-day. Let's see if we get a little push up here. Maybe throwing a short. Got a long way to go down. We're already down 1.2% for the day, though. How much further can we go? All right, we're just going to throw in a short. Cheeky short here. We'll manually stop out. If it turns green. Hopefully get a chance for the next candle to print, though. Ouch. Ouch. No. Alright, we're gonna risk 46 bucks. It is what it is. I don't like that candle though, so I'll probably get stopped out. Yeah, there it goes. Alright, down 47 bucks. Beautiful. Hourly NQ. Alright, bro. You're gonna hold the NQ for hours? I mean, one NQ? Like, how much drawdown do you have? 10,000 bucks? We're averaging about 100 points an hour on the NQ. So yeah, if you can hold for hours, hundreds of points, sure. You can always win. Alright, we got a nice wick up there. Kind of like the short again. Don't really like what happened here. That's kind of like a reversal pattern candle type of situation. So we're going to give it some time. Down 47 bucks. Well, actually, I'm up 260. Well, combined them of both expresses, I'm up like 180 bucks. Well, user PX, what does your bot say right now? We're about to reach the next hourly candle. So do you have any direction? User, those metrics mean nothing. Average, drawdown, blah, 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 one negatives, whatever, that means nothing. Show it. Send it on the Discord. How about that? Send some proof with the actual trades. Let's see what's actually going on. And you can hide your proprietary whatever you have that you don't want to show anyone. Alright, we're going back in short. We're gonna stop up in at the $62 short. Come on, bruh. Our $62 risk. Looks like a small range, but that's like 40 points. Dang it. User bet. What channel? Just look up. There's a link to the Discord. Devin exited on the V shape. Oh, you were short, and yeah. Nasdaq likes to extend a little bit and then fakes you out and tries, and then it continues to move. Let's see if we can get a good move here. Come on. Let's push down. From 332 to 270 seems choppy. Well, we haven't got to 270. Let's go. Let's see if we can get there. It's rejecting again. Might have to get out. See what the next candle prints. The book's pretty thin, so it can go either way. Still got the 50-day coming down. VWAP's coming down pretty hard too. I'm gonna keep this short and play. Might add to it actually. Let's target into the 200s, maybe the high or the low 200s. Gonna let this play out a bit. Yeah, Devin, fake out suck. And NQ loves to fake people out. Such a tease. Like, boom, came down hard. Pretended to go up just to go down even further. And I can break even for the day on this account if I exit. I like the way the 9-day and the 50 and the VWAP's coming down, so we're going to keep this trade open for now. I'd like to see like 280s. That's conservative. We can definitely see 200s. Let's keep it at the 280. Okay, you know what? We're going to get out. I actually... Hold on a second. I gotta go. Oh man, I forgot. Okay, I gotta check. Had something in the oven. It's probably burnt now. I'll be back. All right. Oh, still 7 people watching. That's cool. Appreciate that. All right. Let's see if you get a rejection off the 9 day again. Keep pushing down. All right. Well, we're pushing up on the 9 day. Maybe that's a short term reversal right here. Maybe we come test 360s now. Anything's possible. Hang Seng's down 2%. Japan down 3%. UK, Euro, Germany, Australia down almost 1%. Order book looks, yeah, it's pretty thin. It's about 40 orders at 29,245. Trump on China. Bilateral ties will get better, surely. Trump on China. We reached multiple agreements. Okay. See if there's any new Truth Socials. No. No new Truth Socials. User PX. No, your comments aren't getting deleted. I barely get any comments. I'm not deleting anything. That's for sure. Why, did you say something? The last thing I see is you said, what channel? Well, technically, actually, the last comment you said was, are my comments getting deleted? Yeah, user, I'm seeing something. I don't know what it means, though. You got some monthly return thing. from 2020. It means nothing to me, bro. Talking about real trades, you know? Like, look, these are real trades. There's an entry, there's an exit time, duration, the symbol, how much you entered for, how much you exited for, what's your P&L. All right, we're still pushing up. Got the 9-day curling up pretty hard. We got into the 200s. Pretty much halfway. I was looking at 280 and 200. Pretty much went right in between there. Norwegian trade balance. Latest headline. Shouldn't affect the markets. No worry, user. User PX. It's all good, bro. Well, only 5 people watching now. What time is it? 11? Well, if people are still watching, I'll stay on. If people come into the chat. Otherwise, I might just call it. Users average drawdown really isn't crazy for hourly on 55 points. Okay. Devin, which state am I in? The 51st. I'm in the 51st state, buddy. In Vancouver. Oh, I get it, Devin. State. I'm in the 51st state. Some Trump humor for you. The home of poutine, moose, and beavers. Alright, is this the push up we're going to get? And that's it. Shorting here. 40-point risk. It's a little bit too much. Alright, the 50 days about to cross with the 9-day. Looks like. Next couple minutes. Alright, we're still pushing up. Devin, you heard it's nice up here? It's alright. I'd rather be in California or Florida or something, but yeah, it's, can't complain. Nice and safe. Weather's nice this time of year. More rain than I would prefer, but it is what it is. Devin, actually, you know what? Since you're from New York, I don't know how much different. I mean, it's actually New York probably has worse weather. Probably got a little bit better weather than New York. Not too much better, but it's probably the same thing. All right, we're still pushing up, and we're getting a little cross here. See if you see a big reaction with some volume. Devin, bucket list to visit? Oh, really? Oh, come on over. You are welcome. I want to go to New York too, but I got kids and stuff. There's nothing for kids to do in New York. If I'm going to go on a vacation, I got to take the kids with me. For me, California and Florida, they got Disney World and all that stuff. Beaches, water and stuff, you know. Things kids like. Take them to New York. Take them to like the stock exchange. They're gonna be like, "What is this, man?" It's a little nicer than Toronto. Toronto sucks. Vancouver and Montreal. Those are the two places you want to visit if you're in Canada. Toronto's just another city with a lot of people. Toronto has bad winters. Vancouver doesn't. Our winters are like whatever. You can still wear shorts. For Canada, the best weather is in Vancouver. We get the best overall weather. New York is nice when the kids are older. Yeah, my kids are elementary aged. Last thing they want to see is buildings and traffic and tons of people. All right, I mean that's a nice reversal right here too. Got a bearish engulfing candle. With more volume than the bullish candle. Could be a good short. Now let's see how it reacts around. See if it breaks down 280. It's going through. Looks like it wants a blast through now. I'm not going to take the trade. Let's go back to a practice account. Let's take a trade in there. I like the short. Down to like 220, 200 area. See how it reacts. Devin, the winters are freezing, but it doesn't snow heavy. Okay. All right, we're going to bounce here on the 280s. Might be setting up for some chop here. Trap the shorts, trap the bulls, take them both out. Just keep doing that for a while. We're still in this zone. It's a pretty big zone though. 185 point zone. What you know? Devin, what are you talking about? What did you know? Did I miss something? Alright, sorry. Give me a minute. I'm gonna get some tissues. Coughing up a storm here. I gotta blow my nose. Alright, I'll be back. Sorry about that. I have to step away. Well, I don't think there's gonna be much to do now. I mean, we can retrace. That's a possibility. Let me take a long here, put a short down here. So a lot of points. It's not really worth it. Trump on China, bilateral ties will get better, surely. Well, we're just watching now. We're 30 minutes away from Euro Open. You got Japan trying to come up. The dollar's up 0.3%. Hang Seng's down pretty much 2%. Japan's still down over 2%. UK still down 0.65%. Euro stocks are down 0.7. Germany's down 0.6. Australia's down 0.8. Trump boards Air Force One to leave Beijing. Alright, Trump's leaving, guys. Talks are done. We'll see the narrative that gets pushed after. I think I'll stay on for a little bit longer, but there's nothing. I don't really want to get in any trade here. What I'm looking for is like a retrace. Maybe up to VWAP. That'd be a 3-to-1 trade right there, kind of. Risking 132 bucks to make 335. But with it coming down, I mean, it's more like a 1 to 2 risk. Alright, we're still pushing up. This trade might play out. I'm going to keep the stops and take profit where they are. Not okay. I mean, if anyone wants to come into the chat, talk something. Otherwise, might just have to call it here. Got a couple subscribers today. That's awesome. 2 or 3. We had Devin stop by. That's amazing. We got User with his bots. Patrick. Miranda came by. Fi came by. I don't know where Diego went. Diego would come in every chat or every stream. Well, that's fine. It says 7 people are watching. Stay on, I guess, until maybe you're open. Or I might just call it. We'll see. Just depends on you, chat. Alright, we're still pushing up, guys. This trade's working out. We got the 9-day coming up. We can still push from here. So we get into the 60s, push up to the 70s. Just haven't seen much consolidation. Saw some here, but it kept going down. All the sideways action happened up here. We've been down, going down for a while. With volume picking up. Let's see how high we go for now. Alright, let's get out of that trade. See if we get a little pullback down to the 9-day. Enter a long on the XFA. No, we're not even getting it. Alright, let's try to join this push. Alright, don't tell me about the top again. No! Let's get the push now. Come on. Push it. I'm just gonna put a stop loss there. No point of forcing trades. Just for YouTube value. Most likely we'll just get stopped out here, break even. Which is fine. Define your risk. We'll just call it a free trade. Well, that went nowhere. Well, it says 6 people are watching. Hope you guys all subscribe. I feel like just calling it. Not getting people in the comment section. Start any conversation. Alright, I'm gonna call it. Appreciate everyone stopping by. Make some money. Stay safe. Take a nap. Good night.